If you work on what I'm about to tell you below, even by mistake, for the next 10 days, your channel will grow, and within a month, you'll start earning money from YouTube. I'm not joking. I am definitely sure you see Italian brain rot meme video on internet.
Tung 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 sahur. Anomali bombardiro crocodilo. Un fottuto alligatore volante che vola e bombarda. Trallallero trallallà.
These channels are taking advantage of it by making these types of videos. For create these type of video, then go to ChatGPT and paste there this prompt. Don't worry, I will give you prompt in description. Our 50% work done. Now go to any image generator AI tool and generate image. Then go to any AI voiceover website and generate voice. Now go to your editing app and combine them. You can use any effect. Now you can say why this video is small and almost non-edited. It's because I made this video very quickly so that I could tell you all about it before it goes viral. If you want to monetize without 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, then click here.